have to wait a couple minutes, but it will go off. This a view where you can see the stator. I can see the stator up there. It's spinning clockwise. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. I could see that spinning stator. Or that's what you call the rotor. The chopper motors there. That's what you call the chopper. It's taken quite some time to stop, you know. I don't know if you could... I don't know what I could see there. Okay, I don't know what we're seeing. I think it's stopped. Oh no, it's still turning there yet. I don't know if you could see it rotating. I don't think I could. Okay, oh yeah, you can see the siren. I'm not sure about the rotor. Okay, I think it's still rotating. Yeah, it's still rotating. Alright, so I'm not sure if you guys could see that or not. I saw the chopper motor start up. So, but thank you for watching.